16, Colder. 8, Stelling, Dustin Farmer. 9, Atkins Stelling, Cody Anderson.
Not going up and down the damn steps.
212, Christian Clay.
Up and closing the door. They can't get out.
710, Rory McIntosh.
You guys all right back there? You guys all right back there with this?
No, I'm fine. As long as you don't mind us bickering back there. Okay.
Lock the entrance and exit. We'll get you inside.
Also, he'll let you by. He'll let you by. I know it. Yeah, so they don't go out. When you'll see, once they start hitting, they'll get into them. I mean, because I'll take you to the show. Oh, you are a blessing, my love. Got him on his
425, James Conway. 68, Brian Thompson.
I'll go get you one next trip. Can you just leave me alone? I will. I know you will.
Oh, that's going to be fun.
Anything that you can screw up. All right, who's your man out there?
Who you vote for? I'm taking the pink card.
I'm gonna go for one of these three. They're Andersons. They're not gonna like each other.
Good point. I'm just going for the pink one because I like the pink.
Atkinson. These three there, maybe even the fourth one, have Atkinson on it.
Like that guy right there.
This one, that one, and that one. You see the Atkinson
Yeah.
on it? So we're all from the same thing. So they're related
They gotta move it.
or work
Yeah.
together.
That nice
So they're not gonna hit each other.
Yeah, I think you're right. All right, so the rumor is these 5 cars are toast.
Yeah.
These 4 cars are going out. Here it goes. Here it goes. Boom! Here he goes again.
We've got 2 of them. 3 of them.
There's my pink boy. Oh!
Come on, Paul. Come on, Paul. Back that shit up, Paul. Come on.
Pink guy's still going. Right there.
We're going to do like fire, what's going on, so I can let y'all know.
I know. But that's what I like.
Just remember the gas door plate open. You gotta make sure that shuts back. Don't get hit inside the car.
Here they go.
Second heat.
Look at his rear tires dragging. He can't move.
I've seen him drive without a rear tire at all.
Oh, really?
Come on, 425. Let's do it. We don't want to get booked.
Oh, everybody's leaving.
Come on.
That looks like the end. Yeah.
That shouldn't have happened. That should have kept on banging. I know. Yeah.
I think 17, 25, and 3.
All right, that first round.